So friends, you can see these columns are now showing A, B, C, D. I want it in numeric 1, 2, 3, 4. So I will change it from alphabet to numeric, then numeric to alphabet, both. So first of all, I need to click anywhere in this sheet and click on File. After that, I need to click on this Options button. Herein you can see these options, wherein you need to click on this option, second one, Formulas. And this under working with formulas, you can find this R1C1 Reference Style. You can just click on this and click on OK. You can see it is now changed to numeric. Okay, you can see this also changed. These things are changed to numeric. If you want in alphabet, you can again go to File, click on Option, click on Formulas, and uncheck this R1C1 and click on OK. So it is now again changed to alphabets. I hope friends now you will be able to do it. In case you find this video helpful, just hit on the like button and subscribe my channel for my upcoming videos. Bye bye friends, take care.